Hello everyone. First of all, sorry for the gap due to some projects, some assignments. Okay, but now I will try my best to cover up all the gap time. Okay, so we was on the VPC topic, done everything about theoretically as well as practical demonstration of VPC, all the component of VPC, including NAT, Internet Gateway, security groups, NACL. We have done everything theoretically as well as practically. So in this video, we are going to cover VPC peering. Connect your VPCs. We'll discuss in this video, we'll discuss everything about the peering, and in the next video, we will do the practical demonstration of peering. Okay, so try to understand what is peering, why we do the peering, what is the benefit of peering. I will discuss everything here. So first of all, understand what is peering. Peering is a network connection between two virtual private cloud that enable you to route the traffic between VPCs. You see, normally we can do that using the public IP. We can do that. We do that. But here, what is the use of benefit? Use of peering using private IP version 4 address or IP version 6 address. With the public IP, like look here, using the public IP, this VPC can communicate here. No issue. Why we are doing the peering? Using private IP address. Peering is for private IP communication. Communicate between the instance, communicate between the instance in either VPC as if they are within the same network. If we are using the public IP, then naturally a different subnets. One subnet here, one subnet here, a different subnet. But after doing the peering, this resembles like they are in the same subnet. One EC2 here, one EC2 here look like they are in the same subnet. Got the punch? So main benefit of peering, communication between different VPCs using private IP address. Securely connect two or more VPC in the AWS. Using the public IP, no doubt we can communicate. But here we are using private IP to communicate between different VPCs. So what it happened, it looked like they are in the same subnet. Two EC2s in different VPCs look like they are in the same VPC, same subnet. Okay. So this is the basic definition of VPC peering. Why we do the VPC peering? Okay, like this. The two different VPCs We can communicate without peering, we can communicate on the base of public IP. But when we enable the peering, these two EC2 spores within the different VPC can communicate with the private IP. You know very well, private IP cannot go over the internet. So without peering, you cannot communicate between these two EC2s in different VPCs using private IP. But after doing the peering, yes, you can do that. Either one EPC is in A country and one VPC is in B country. Or you can say in different accounts. One is in A account, one is in B account. Everything is possible with the help of peering. Okay, like this. Connecting VPC, VPC peering. How it happens? That one VPC like here, one VPC is this one, and one VPC is this one. Three different VPCs. So these three VPCs can be intra or inter region. These three VPs can be in the same region or can be in the different region. No problem. You can establish the pairing. Can be established between the different AWS account. Can be in different region, can be in different accounts. Everything is possible. In the next video when we do the practical demonstration, you will see that. Only the condition IP space should not be overlapped. Like you can see here is the different networks. 1.0.0/16, 3 and 2/16. So these are the different networks. Only the condition IP should not be overlapped. IP should not be overlapped. Otherwise, you can do the peering either inter-region, either intra-region, or can be same account or can be different account. Means same account means different VPCs within the same account. No issue, you can do the peering. Transitive peering relationship are not supported. Most important thing. What is transitive peering relationship? Check here. Come on, this is the transitive pairing. If you pair, if you pair uh, like this is the B and A. You establish the pairing between A and B and establish the pairing between A and C. Got the point? It does not mean that B become pairing with C. No. You need to establish the pairing between B and C separately. B is paired with A is paired with C. It does not mean that automatically C get paired with B. No. You need to establish the pairing separately between B and C. That is known as the transitive pairing. That is not supported. You need to establish the pairing one by one with each other. Very simple topic, very small theoretical topic, and very interesting practical demonstration that we do in the next video. In this case, no internet gateway or net required, highly available connection, not even a single point of failure, because it stay on the global AWS backbone network. Traffic always stay on AWS global backbone. Naturally, it's a very high speed, so no bottleneck, no congestion in the network. B, establish the pairing and with VPC A. Very simple. I think everything is clear. Establish the connection between different VPCs using private IP address. It enables the communication using private IP address. Either it can be in different region or same region or different account or same account. Very small topic. Interesting. Next video, we'll do the practical demonstration of pairing, how we can establish the pairing between the different VPCs. Hope you enjoy the video. Keep watching. Review all the previous videos. Do all the practical demonstrations we done. Everything will be clear to you. After this pairing, only one topic left, that is the endpoint. Okay? So keep watching, enjoy and learn. Thank you very much.